For today, we will be testing hiccup cures. We already have our testing patient, Adif. Actually, it's Addy. He has had the hiccups for a total of 2 days now, and they do not seem to be going anywhere soon. So, for today's experiment, we will be trying different hiccup cures. Now, as many of you know, there are many different types of hiccup cures. So for today, we will only be trying the top 15 cures or until Addy's hiccups is gone. Alright, now that we have our first 15 remedies of the hiccups done, let us now start testing.
Method 1. Meditation.
Something tells me this isn't working.
Method 2. The crushed ice and water. The chugging of the water method. Method 4. The spin method. Right then, moving on now. The holding of the nose and drinking the water method. Method 6, the earlobe method. Method 7, the stretching method.
I think I'm doing it wrong.
The holding the ears method. Method 9, the sugar method. The burping method. Number 11, looking up.
Oh, I see a hippopotamus in this back plane.
Okay then. Let's try number 12, looking down.
Oh, quarter.
Method 13. The gargle. Method 14. The tongue. Aye. And lastly, method 15. The holding of the breath.
I actually think that they're not gone.